The point of this video is right here, the Ricky Graffeo exhaust. This was a little annoying, not gonna lie. Took quite a while for the Cerakote shop that does the they make the pipes black. Ricky doesn't blacken them himself, so this got sent to wherever and they arrived like that. So super annoying, but also my foot's gonna hit that pretty soon. And I looked online and that's how we fix it. So I'm gonna be applying that here after I start this bad boy up, just because it says it works better if you heat the metal. So anyway, here is that lovely exhaust. Nice, right? All right, let's get this bad boy started. Oh, check out the Salomon seat. Nice, right? Salomon Road sofa. Heated, of course, because, whatever. Anyway, here we go. All right, let's see. Cold start. It's worth it, even with the scratch.